Hello and welcome to this very first video. My name is Janelle and I'm excited to introduce to you what I proudly call my masterpiece, roster in Excel. It's a simple yet very powerful Excel-based template designed to help you manage your team's shift schedules with ease. Whether your team has 3 or 100 people, and whether you're already using a scheduler or starting from scratch, I'm very confident that this tool can make your job a whole lot easier. In this short video, I'll just give you a quick overview of how the tool works and what it can do and why it's worth trying out. As you can see in the screen, the template includes the dates across the top and also on the left side, the employee names. And of course, the main plotting area where you will assign the shift timing or the codes. Let me give you a quick example. I'll be adding this name, Don, to start. And he starts at 8 a.m. every day. So you can simply enter the shift code 8 a.m. or whatever shift code you prefer. And if he works for the same timing, if he starts his work at 8 a.m. for the next week or a month, then you can just paste the same code to the rest of the week or month. If his schedule varies, then you can easily update the shift code for each day. The template will automatically calculate the correct totals for each day. So once the shifts are plotted, you will see two important things. First, you will see on the right side the total number of hours and or days that each of the employee has worked or has been plotted here in the right side area. So we have a counter for the hours and for the days and of course their balances. Also, and this is very important, and this is the highlight of my masterpiece. On the lower side of the screen, this section, you will see the number of employees working per hour. So this is very useful for managers who need to track coverage and ensure proper staffing throughout the day. All right, and so as you add more employees and assign different shift codes, the tool updates everything in real time. This helps you stay organized and efficient. All right, so that is just a quick intro for this video. I'll be uploading more videos soon to walk you through additional features and tips. But if you're already managing team schedules or want to help your managers streamline the process, you can grab this template today for just a couple of dollars. It's a one-time purchase and can be used all year round. You'll be seeing the link in the description below and also in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I truly appreciate your support.